Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best.
Facial toners astringents
Are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
This facial toner is awesome. So it is rose water flavored, so it smells so good. And why toner? So if you've already cleaning, you're already moisturizing, like why add this to my face care regimen? Why? Toner helps get those extra dirt. There's always extra dirt makeup that your makeup remover doesn't get off so well. There's always a little bit of residue left behind, and this toner helps get that off. It also helps just kind of refresh and moisturize your skin. It's a great, great base thing to put on before you put on your makeup and stuff. So it cleanses, it tones, it helps with just overall beauty on your face. Smells divine. Again, this is with witch hazel and rose petal water. You can also use it during the day to kind of refresh your face if it, again, is hot and muggy. It's summer. I'm in Georgia, like I said before, so I'm just gonna put this on my face so you can see right now. Oh, it smells so good. I wish I could waft the aroma through my phone to you guys. But again, the rose petal water smells so good. It's so refreshing, so light. Again, Beauty by Earth, all natural clean products that are effective. So they're really taking the best of natural products and organic products and clean beauty products and making it into an effective beauty and skincare line for you to use.
Celebrate the power of pure 100% witch hazel. Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. The power of pure beauty. One multi-benefit step delivers purified skin to reveal pure you. Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. Pure power.
트러블은 짜내는 것, 여전히 돌리는 것. 썬바이미가 찾아낸 미라클 솔루션으로 묵은 각질은 녹여주면서 순하게 진정시켜주니까 트러블의 근본을 해결하는 30일 미라클로 리셋. 트러블 미라클로 되돌리다. 썬바이미 미라클 토너.